Is your air conditioner running but not blowing hot air in winter? You're not alone. And the good news is, most of the time, the fix is simple. Let's break down why your AC isn't heating properly and what you can do about it. First, always start with the settings. Check your remote or thermostat and make sure the AC is set to heat mode, not cool, fan, or auto. Also, set the temperature at least 3 to 5 degrees higher than the room temperature. If it's set too low, the AC may run but never activate heating. Next, give it a little time. In heating mode, many ACs have a startup delay. The indoor unit may blow cool or room temperature air for a minute or two before warm air starts coming out. This is normal, especially for inverter and heat pump systems. Now check the air filter. A dirty or clogged filter restricts airflow, which can make the AC feel like it's not heating at all. Remove the filter, clean it with water, let it dry, and reinstall it. This one step alone fixes heating issues for many people. If the filter is clean, move outside and inspect the outdoor unit. In winter, dust, leaves, or even frost buildup can block airflow. Turn off the AC and clear any visible dirt around the unit. If you notice ice on the outdoor coil, the system may be stuck in defrost mode or not defrosting properly at all. Another very common reason is incorrect AC type expectations. If your AC is a cool-only model, it simply cannot blow hot air, no matter the settings. Only heat pump or hot and cold models can provide heating, so double-check your unit's specifications. Low refrigerant is another major cause. If your AC runs but the air never gets warm, refrigerant levels may be low due to a leak. This affects both cooling and heating performance. Unfortunately, this isn't a DIY fix. You'll need a professional technician to inspect and recharge the system. Electrical or component issues can also stop heating. A faulty thermostat, reversing valve, control board, or sensor can prevent the AC from switching into proper heat mode. If the outdoor unit isn't running at all during heating, this is a strong sign of a technical fault. Lastly, extremely cold weather can limit heating performance. In very low temperatures, some AC heat pumps struggle to extract enough heat from the air. In these conditions, heating may feel weak or stop altogether, depending on the model. So, to recap, check your mode and temperature settings, clean the air filter, inspect the outdoor unit, confirm your AC supports heating, and watch for signs of refrigerant or electrical problems. If none of these steps solve the issue, it's time to call a qualified HVAC technician before winter gets worse. Found this helpful? Like the video, subscribe to AC Guide, and drop your heating questions in the comments. We reply to all of them.